You know, there's something about a band being able to be spontaneous on the fly together that just, there's really nothing like it, and you don't really know what it feels like until you experience it. We finished the first set, and we're gonna do a second set at the end for baptisms and stuff like that. It went great though. For those of you that don't know, this is called a patch bay, and basically everything that comes from the stage comes to here and gets distributed to the soundboard and then through the system and all that stuff. Don't want to unplug anything from that. Service is done. We're good.